Imagine having a brainy sidekick that's always ready to help. Well, that's AI for you. Artificial intelligence, the super smart robot brain living in your devices. Picture this. AI is like a superhero that helps you chat, find answers, and even create cool stuff, all without ever needing a nap. So, how did it all start? Some really clever folks thought, hey, what if machines could think like us? It began with clunky versions tripping over their own feet. But now AI can keep its balance. Today, AI is like that friend who knows a bit about everything. Need help with homework? Done. Want to write a story? Easy. Just want to chat? AI's got you covered. And guess what? It's getting smarter all the time. In the future, AI could be your trusty robot butler, always one step ahead. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. AI creators are making sure it's used safely, so no sci-fi villain moments here. So there you have it. AI, your super smart, ever-evolving helper. And hey, this video created with AI. You're watching the future right now.